I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. No, I'm just kidding. We're just going to try it. Let's start with Amp It on the lips. I like the way it's squeezy, and I like the applicator. All right. Oh, it's a nice fragrance. It's very subtle. And it doesn't have a flavor, which is good. I appreciate that. It feels soft and moisturizing. All right. Let that settle in. We're going to go to Drench It. It's a soothing primer milk. All right. Oh, okay. It's thin. All right. My skin is completely clean. I got out of the shower and I didn't put anything on it. It doesn't have any scent. Which doesn't surprise me because Mikayla hates scented products. Feels nice. All right, so let's move on. We got Drip It, which is a nourishing glow serum. Not a big drip on your face kind of girl. So let's go for this. No, it's very, very mild fragrance. Okay. I have a very, very specific skin prep routine, so you have a lot to live up to. Next is Whip It. So let's open it up. I don't know that I'll really be using the spatula, quite frankly, because I'm not a big spatula utilizer. Okay. Okay. Okay, I see what everyone's talking about with the shine. Okay. I don't really want to comment. Like I just want to try it out and see if I like it. I'm gonna truly know how we feel about this until we put our foundation on. And glaze it. Unlock this way. Oh my god, I'm so problematic. Okay. I'm not gonna be easy on her. I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, I love it, if I don't actually love the way it looks. Okay. Because I have a phenomenal skin prep routine that makes my skin look amazing. So if I don't like this, I'm gonna be honest. All right, today we're using our Patrick Ta foundation. So 1 pump each. Because I'm in between shades right now. And let's put this on. Now, when I use this foundation normally, it looks phenomenal. Like, it looks like skin. It looks like skin when I use my skin prep. So let's see what it's giving. Let's see what it's giving. I do like the lip product so far. And I'm a mature person. I'm 45 years old. I do not have perfect skin. I have hella texture, hyperpigmentation, and I'm gonna be able to tell if I like this. And for $150, I better like it. Okay, so thus far, this is what we're looking like. I mean, it's not pilling. And my foundation seems to have accepted this primer. So let me go finish my makeup and I'll let you know at the end. All right, that's a skin prep. Looks good. Do I like it more than my normal skin prep? I don't know, but it looks good. All right, there's a few hours later. So I figured I'd show you guys what my face looks like to see how the skin is doing. Okay, what can I say? What can I say? My skin looks like skin. I'm not quite as dewy as I normally am, you know, from my normal routine. I have mature skin. I have combination skin. I'm a little bit drier. So not to say that they're bad products. I think they're good products from my first impression. But I would say for the products that I use on top of the skin prep, that what I'm used to sits a little bit better on my skin. I think it's good. I think it's definitely good. I would give it a 7.5 or 8 out of 10 comparatively to what I'm normally using. So overall, good stuff.